You are eating, enjoying, where the Fulani herdsmen are in the bush, planning to attack your village. This message for all the Nigerians, most especially Christians that are celebrating Christmas, Christians that are eating and enjoying their lives in this period of land this Christmas. For me, I'm not eating anything, I'm not even drinking and enjoying anything because of what is happening in this country. War is going on in Nigeria. Ukraine, war is going on in Ukraine. I don't know how Ukraine are celebrating their Christmas right now. I don't know how they are celebrating Christmas, I don't know. But I want all the Nigerians to look to Ukraine. If I want all the Christians in Nigeria to look to this country, Ukraine, because they are a Christian country, they are in the war right now. So I want you people to deserve them to look the way they celebrate Christmas. So if you see the way they celebrate Christmas, do it in Nigeria. Because war is going on in Nigeria. Silent killing is going on in Nigeria. Many people refuse to come back in their villages in Nigeria because of war. War is going on in Nigeria. And I don't know the reason that people are eating rice and eating chicken, enjoying. As you they enjoy, as you they eat rice and the chicken, they drink, they enjoy yourself. Fulani terrorists are in the bush planning to come to attack your village. As you they eat, they enjoy yourself. They are planning. Right now, as I'm talking to you right now, there are some villagers that run away from their village. There are some villagers that pack their clothes, run away because of war is going on in this country. War is going on in Nigeria. Go to the north right now. There are some villages that is empty in north. Go to north. There are some villages is empty. People have run away from their village because of war is going on in Nigeria. Even in this Enugu, some part of Enugu, different part of Nigeria, war is going on in Nigeria. So I want to tell all the Christians in Nigeria, look to Ukraine. If Ukraine are celebrating Christmas, if Ukraine are enjoying eating and drinking, do the same thing. But if they are not celebrating it well, do it. What are we eating? Eating chicken, eating rice, where our brothers, our sisters have been killed. Mass burial, many places in Nigeria. War is going on, you are eating chicken, eating rice and beans, eating turkey. What are you eating? Where people you are eating, enjoying, where the Fulani herdsmen are in the bush, planning to attack your village. Some of you people that came back to the village right now, returning back, they may attack you, they may kidnap many people. But I'm not wishing you bad luck. But I'm saying what is going on in this country, Nigeria. There's nothing like eating and drinking in Nigeria. It's the time that we rise up because their plan is to examine this nation. So it's the time for Christians in Nigeria to rise up, to do what we're supposed to do. Because if we keep quiet in Nigeria, their plan will come to pass. But we need to rise up to do what we're supposed to do. Not eating and drinking this Christmas, enjoying. Enjoying what? Eating what? There is fire on the mountain and you are celebrating Christmas, you are eating rice and chicken. Fire on the mountain in Nigeria. There is fire on the mountain. What are you eating and celebrating? Where they are doing mass burial in many places in Nigeria. Where Fulanis are killing many people in Nigeria. What is going on in Nigeria and you are eating rice and beans. Enjoying and eating. And if you're a pastor, if you're a general overseer, if you're a preacher of the gospel, and you are close to these politicians, these governors that are sponsoring these terrorists, is the time for you, pastor, for you, a gospel preacher, to go and tell them, Oga, stop this evil you are doing. Is the time. You are a minister of God, and you are collecting envelope from them. They are coming to give you gift in this Christmas. Not money. Go and tell those governors, go and tell those politicians, this president, let them stop sponsoring Fulani herdsmen in Nigeria. Is the time. What are we celebrating? What are we eating? Eating chicken, eating rice, where our brothers, our sisters have been killed. And listen, I want to tell all the Nigerians, in this Christmas, if any governor, any politicians give you give away, don't collect it for them. That is the broad money. These people are selfish. They are keeping quiet. Fulani are killing us. They don't want to talk anything because of money. So if you are in Nigeria and these governors, they give you gift in this Christmas, don't collect it. Except the governor of Benue State, because this man is fighting for his people. The governor of Benue State. If those governors give you gift in December, don't collect it. Tell them to do what they're supposed to do in their country. Look at what happened to Enugu State. I don't know what the governor of Enugu State do. And now governor of Enugu State to become out dashing people something. Don't collect it. Tell him to do what he's supposed to do. Not in Enugu State. All the governors in Nigeria, if they give you anything in this Christmas, do not collect it. Tell them to do what they're supposed to do. There is no joy in Nigeria. What is going on? And these politicians are busy sponsoring terrorists in Nigeria.